Marhaba. Good morning.
Journey video. Today we are going to Jericho.
Well, it starts nicely. It seems that we have a little car issues. The car works, but there's a problem with the coolant. Trying to fix it right now. Assalamu alaikum. Well, we've been into a traffic jam for almost 2 hours or more, and it's all due to just one little accident, and there only being one big road to one highway to the
Where Palestinians can go.
where we're going, the east.
And Wadi Nar.
Wadi Nar, to the east, right?
Yes, it's the highway north and south Palestine.
Oh, north south.
Only one way Palestinians.
One way the Palestinians can go, but yeah, if something happens, it's all stuck, and everybody has to wait like a couple of hours.
Water is coming, it's go from here to the monastery. After the monastery, the water go to Jericho. When you go in Jericho, I will share you where the water is stopped in Jericho.
Okay, okay,
yes,
thanks.
yes, yes. Beautiful. Now we go from here. I remember I come
Here's St. George. It's wow, it's really amazing.
The drive from Bethlehem to Jericho was amazingly beautiful. We were so grateful to be here in Palestine at this very moment. Just sitting back, relaxing, looking out of the window and enjoying the indescribable, astonishing views of Palestine.
We have arrived in Jericho. It's a Greek Orthodox church, I think. Let's go inside. Wow. Wow. It's not like a church I've ever seen before. With the blue and the colors. I've never seen that before. That's awesome.
Is this Greek? All these languages?
It's Greek Orthodox, I think, yeah.
The writing also.
Yeah, probably. I don't know if we should go here.
Nah, this is not respectful to walk in there.
Let's continue the journey into Jericho, further into Jericho.
This is Zachariah Street, where that a banker tried to take a look at Jesus when he was coming through the town, and Jesus saw him and then invited him to his place. And after his visit at Jesus' house, Zachariah was like, I'm gonna spend my money for the good.
Okay.
And it changed his life.
Yeah. And this is a very old tree, it's awesome. The view over Jericho. This is many people say this is the longest inhabited city in the whole entire world. It's like 10 or 12,000 years old. And we are going up the Mount of Temptation right now. Here Jesus was 40 days in the desert and he was tempted by the devil.
We're inside the monastery right now. cool cave below the mountain of temptation. Here. This is a cute little room. Oh, coming through. No? It is really cool.
We have found this inside. We can't go in, but
it looks like it was a mill being driven by a mule. You know, there's a pillar in the middle, and that beam that you see diagonally, that's being pulled by a donkey. At least that's what I've seen in Age of Empires. So.
It looks very old.
It does look very old.
This was the inside of the monastery, just built into the cave with an amazing view. So, obviously, just like when we were in Colombia, I got shat on by a dove. And now we were sitting, and of course, I
got shit on
again.
But not a dove this time.
But what a beautiful view.
It's a beautiful view.
So.
Oh, there goes the cable car. They're very expensive, by the way. 120 each person?
Yeah, for up and down.
Up and down.
Well, the most touristic thing you will ever see. This camel.
Okay, now we need to go to Jordan River because
Here we are at the Jordan River. This is supposedly to be the place where Jesus Christ
Was baptized.
Baptized by, what do you call it in English? Johann?
I have no idea.
Johannes? John.
Let's put it down.
Alright.
And as you can see, some people, they
Baptize themselves.
baptize.
Again, maybe. And there's Jordan.
Yeah, that's Jordan on the other side, so it's very close. We have been in Jordan.
And here is Israel/Palestine.
We're in the touristic epicenter, but this is the Dead Sea. But it's too busy for our liking. But yeah,
Way too busy.
we had to show you the Dead Sea. We have swum in there twice before, and it's awesome. Well, we have found a space where nobody is, so that's super nice, beautiful, and that's Jordan. We were there 4 years ago or something, 3-4 years ago, and the sensation of swimming in that sea is amazing because you really float. Like, you cannot explain the sensation, but it's awesome. Really recommend.
Pure salt.
Yeah, and obviously that sea you can float in here because the salt concentration is super high. Oh, and it's way hotter here than in Bethlehem.
Yeah, it's like 25 degrees right now.
24-25 degrees. It's amazing because it's so low. So for one day it's super awesome.
Yeah. Rust, iron, or chemicals.
But it is beautiful here. Oh, and look over there, all the tourists. Oh, I do not like that. Look how awesome. Salt crystals.
like to
My
play with
husband
mud.
is playing with mud,
It's
but we
nice.
didn't take our swimwear, so we can't swim.
Unfortunately.
But it's also a bit too cold for our liking to swim. And since we have done it before, but it looks like shit, like poo.
No man, it looks like the stuff that you would smear all over your face.
Yeah, very nice, very good, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later when my husband is when my
I got
husband.
it on my feet.
Well, I'll see you in a minute when my husband is done putting shit on his face.
Well, and here we are with our taxi driver, Ghaith, the best taxi driver in Bethlehem.
Thank you, we're great.
He took us the whole day to Jordan River, St. George, and the Dead Sea. For only starting price only 350, but some entrance fees.
Welcome to Palestine and to that sea.
Ma salama.
Assalam.
Suddenly the wind started to pick up. So we're back in Bethlehem.
Sabah al-Noor.
Sabah.
Good evening.
Sabah al-Noor. We forgot to film, but we were also too tired. We had some nice
Shawarma and kebab.
shawarma kebab on a
Sandwich.
pita. It was very delicious,
Yeah.
but we were way too tired to film it. So
It's gonna be dark now.
Just
I don't
trust it, it
know
was
if
really
you-
nice.
I don't know if you see us good now, but whatever.
no.
But yeah, it's very cold in Bethlehem again. In Jericho it was hot. Very
25.
nice.
It was 25
25
degrees. We said this.
And here it's now in the evening like 4 degrees, so it's cold.
Uh-huh.
And we had a very nice day with a very nice taxi driver. He drove us to Jericho and the Dead Sea and the Jordan River, and he was super nice.
And St. George Monastery, which was also
Mount
really
of
beautiful
Meditation.
near Jericho. Was
Yeah, and so you can do these tours just by going to Monster Square.
Manger
Square.
Square in
And
Bethlehem.
then just search for a taxi driver and ask for prices. But we really recommend Ghaith.
Ghaith. We will post his number on below in the description.
Yeah. So we see you tomorrow.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Ma salama.
Ma salama.